In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPods Pro won't reset. So if you have an AirPods Pro and you try everything you could to reset the AirPods Pro, and each time you complete the reset process, you bring the AirPods Pro to your iPhone, open the AirPods Pro lid, then you still see the AirPods Pro connected to your iPhone. Then this video is going to show you step by step on how to fix AirPods Pro won't reset. So this works on AirPods Pro, AirPods Pro 2, and AirPods Pro 3. So if at the end of this video you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, what you want to fix AirPods Pro won't reset, is just close your AirPods Pro lid like this, drop it. Then go ahead, take your iPhone. On your iPhone, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on Bluetooth. Then locate the name of your AirPods Pro or AirPods Pro 2 and click on the information icon opposite it like this. Then tap forget this device. From the pop-up, click on forget device. Then choose a port that says this will remove your AirPods Pro from all devices signed into your iCloud account. Then go ahead and click on forget device. Then whether you see successful or unsuccessful, this is going to forget the device on your iPhone. Then go ahead and turn off Bluetooth. Now once you turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone, this will make your AirPods Pro connect to your iPhone even when you open the lid close to it, just like this. Then you can just go ahead, drop your iPhone, and now on your AirPods Pro, open the AirPods Pro lid like this. Once you open the AirPods Pro lid, you can see the amber light comes up. Then rotate the AirPods Pro and go ahead, press and hold the reset button at the back for like 2 to 3 seconds. Then once you hear a beep, then this is going to start resetting your AirPods Pro. Then you should see a transition in the amber light. So you're going to see a cyan light like this. Then once the reset process is completed, the cyan light will change to green and the green will be active. See that? Then after that, that is going to reset the AirPods Pro successfully. Just hang on until the amber light goes off. And once the amber light goes off, close the AirPods lid. Now, to confirm that your AirPods Pro is now reset successfully, just go back to your iPhone settings, click on Bluetooth, and then turn on Bluetooth. Then once turned on the Bluetooth, take your AirPods Pro and open the lid. Once you hear a beep, you're going to see a pop that says you connect your AirPods Pro and your iPhone together. So that is how you can easily fix AirPods won't reset or AirPods Pro won't reset. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.